Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little bit since we did a design, so let's go ahead and do this really quick one. Really, I want to show you how to change a standard clip art in here, into something customizable. So I'm going to go into graphics. We're going to look up potted plants, and we'll select this aloe here. So basically I want to change this so that it's not so generic looking and that it will fit my design. And for text, we're going to do aloe. And we'll use a combination of script and block. Oh, what is that? So we're going to add another text box, and we'll change that to block. And hello there. Let's see if we can find something a little bit better there. Yeah, I like that. So kind of line that up a little bit how you want. I think I'm going to do it like this, and we'll layer this on the back like that. Excuse me. But at first, I want to change this plant into something a little more interesting. So to start customizing it, you can come over here to these the color change palette, and you can start changing these. This is the outline. I want to change that to black. All these other ones I'm going to make transparent so that it is empty inside. And then I'm going to duplicate that, and we'll cut this layer. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. I want to crop it. There we go. So we'll try to isolate just the pot so I can change the color of that. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then we're just going to insert, you can insert a picture here. Like I have some digital paper that I've purchased from Creative Fabrica and I think Etsy. So like I could populate it with a picture. Okay, let's undo that. Okay, so we need to leave all these colors. We need to change all these colors so that it's a solid fill instead of making those transparent. So first, with those filled, now we can come over here and we can fill with an image like I was trying to do earlier. and you'll see how it does this, fills it in with that pattern. But for now, I'm going to use one of the textures and fill it with a watercolor, and I want green. And then you can play around with this saturation. I don't like it that bold of a lime of a green. And of course, remember, you can play with this to try to get some more of that texture in there. You can also hit this button to rotate it. I'm focused on the leaves, so I'll just play with this a little bit more to get it kind of where I want it there. So that looks good to me. I'll go ahead and apply that. Then I'll go ahead and duplicate this. And you could have duplicated this before, so you didn't have to do this undoing. So we're going to revert all those changes. And we should be back to just the white. So now we can come over here to this, just the blank one with all the white, and come in here and do a transparent on all these filled areas so that we are just left with the outline. There we go. And then you can layer that on top like that. And then this one, we will go ahead and put an image in there. Any patterns that you like. You can also go through the stock photos and see what's available there. This is kind of cute. Okay. So then I can move this up here. And now I have a very cute pattern little pot for my image. So we'll just line that up using the arrow keys, and then I'll highlight these over here on the right, these blocks, and then I'll come over here and group that layer over here on the left. So now, I'll try that again. I forgot this one down here. So select that one, hold Shift, Control, select the top one, hit Control, and it'll allow you to select without selecting everything in between. And then you come over here to the left and group it. Now, and you see it kind of all consolidate over here on the right in the little thumbnail area there. But now you'll see that we have our plant all in one. And since I want it to sit behind the text, I'll just layer it to the bottom, and eventually this will catch up with itself. While I'm waiting for that to happen, let's play with some, like a little background or something. And I think that might be too tall. I like to use these little design splotches. They make it real simple to kind of put something not real harsh in there. So, and let's change that color to maybe like real. I don't know. Let's see what that looks like. Go to the back. So I like that yellow, but I want it a little more mute. So let's see if I can get it. Or maybe we can even use this little gold back here. So you can get the eyedropper and select that. Oh, and I like that much better. So it kind of matches the tone of that little leaf. It kind of has those, the tones mixed in there. Now, you can leave this like this, but I like to use an outline around it just to make it pop a little bit more. so that the black pops off of the yellow, and then like this text here will pop off of this little design there. So we'll go back over here to the left and shadow and outlines. And I will use white on that. And I will decrease it to just a smidge, just a little bit. So a 2 is what I used on that. I'll use a 2 on this so that they match. Like that. And then it, to me, it just adds like a little pop off of there. And there you have it. I think that's a pretty cute little plant there. Now you can come in here and like this little bubble here, you can create a little, add another design to it. Like, wouldn't it would be kind of cute with maybe like a heart. Let's see if we can find just the heart shape, generic heart shape. Yeah, like this one. And you can kind of layer it on top. Play with that a little bit. And then you can fill it with maybe matching this green one here, or this darker green. Yeah, that looks good. Darker green there. And then if you can't get it on there to line up just right how you want it with your mouth, you can always click on that and then use your arrows to kind of nudge it over. Just play with that a little bit. Might need that just a little bit bigger to cover that. Circle up a little better. Ah, there you go. Dang. I want that covered up a little bit better. There we go. So you can leave it like that, or you can get rid of that and go back into these layers here, ungroup it, and then select, well, once it ungroups, there we go. Select the outline one and go back over here and find out which one filled that circle. So that was it. We're going to take that back to transparent. And there, you can change that there. Or like we did before, maybe just use the dropper to change that. So you have the little highlight there. There you go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I know it's been a while since I've been on here to share anything with you guys, but this one was nice and short and easy, and I hope to have some more videos for you in the near future.